Good morning. This is Miss Mally up on a Saturday morning, Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. I plan to spend this weekend, well, this today with my father hanging out. Going to go over his house. He stays in a different city and just hang out, chill out with my dad, see what he's up to. So, this is my garden after days of heat in the 90s. And yesterday, Friday, we had a huge rain. And then on Wednesday, we had a little rain. But yesterday, it was a huge rain. I was so glad to get that rain because it had been really hot. But after the Wednesday, before we got our little rain, I had been watching my garden, and actually I had made a video and ended up deleting it by accident. I had uploaded it to YouTube, and there was two listings, and I deleted one of them, and I guess I ended up deleting both of them. And I wanted to show um, the cucumbers, and the cucumbers that I just showed in this video earlier are not the ones that I wanted to show. There were others. They were my first harvest of cucumbers, and they were really pretty. So I ended up deleting that video, but I wanted to show how the cucumbers look after the days of rain. I mean, not days of, after all of those days of kind of extreme heat for us in the 90s and humidity, and they grew. And basically, the cucumbers were about that size, just a tad bigger. So the mulch kept the moisture in. These plants were still getting their water intake, their moisture intake underneath the wood chips, because the wood chips was holding in the soil, holding in the moisture. So now I'm really happy that we got, I mean, it was a heavy downpour. I ended up collecting a lot of the rainwater so that I can use it for my nursery table. And I'm hoping that this burst of heavy rain that we got yesterday, and it happened overnight, will start this process right there. Right there. I noticed that yesterday. So I have all of these tomatoes, all of these green tomatoes, and I'm thinking, okay, some of them need to get bigger, and maybe some might just start turning red. So here's the first one that's starting the red process, the turning process.